2006 Chevy 1-ton. Inconsistent vibration down the road. Alright, truck in neutral. Turn the drive shaft by hand. Rear tire's on the ground, so that seems to turn kind of far. Come back here, watch the U-joint, and there's your problem. Rear U-joint shot. Front one solid. Okay. 1 1/8. Might be right at 4 inches. It sticks in just a little bit. Pretty close 4 inches in length.
The next day.
Alright, doing the U-joint. So, got the front wheels chalked because it's going to want to roll. Take the drive shaft out. I'm going to mark it to get back in the right spot. You make a front mark. I'm going to leave it in gear until I break the bolts loose. If you've never seen that neat trick to add a breaker bar, take your wrench, take the box end, whichever way you need to pry, lock that in, and you can push on it. No fluid. And apparently only one of them was trashed. So, no needle bearings. So you have to get these clips out. So I'm going to hit it with a little WD-40 and then use a flathead screwdriver to get it to start. What we're going to try to do is prop that end up, stick a socket on this other end, and try to drive it out. So just need to make sure that the cap will fit down inside the socket, which this one does. So hopefully we can get it just right. One. And you'll see it's drove against that yoke, and so what you do, pour the cap out, back the other way. Take your pliers, you can pull the cap out, and then that'll come right out. Pay attention to your zerk fitting. This one was pointed towards the back of the truck. So I'll just clean up the inside where that goes, put a little bit of grease in there, and then use a press and just press it together. Can't find any sandpaper, so battery terminal cleaner it is. Or whatever the hell this is. That's not gonna work. Alternate method. Alright, so there's my zerk fitting, which will be pointing right up here. So if this one was to match it, it would go just like that. around that groove. Try to make sure I don't lose the cap. And put it back in the truck. Wiggle it. Here's your paint mark there. Make sure you don't let those caps fall off. Test drive time.